Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a tool that can help you study smarter. It can explain ideas, summarize notes, and give examples, but it doesn't actually think. It works from patterns in data, not personal understanding. That's why your brain, your judgment, curiosity, and creativity always stays in charge. When you use AI wisely, it becomes a learning assistant. It helps you organize information and think through ideas faster. But when you rely on it too much, it can weaken your independence as a learner. Pause and answer the reflection. How do you feel about using technology to help you learn? Confident, curious, or cautious? In this module, you'll practice 3 key skills. 1. Ask better questions, guiding AI with clear, thoughtful prompts. 2. Use AI as a study partner for review, explanation, and feedback. 3. Think beyond the screen, turning AI ideas into your own creative work. Pause and answer the reflection. Which of these skills would help you most right now? Ask better questions, how to use AI as a study partner, or how to think beyond the screen. Artificial intelligence can process information, but only you can think with depth and purpose. Pause and answer the reflection. What does it mean for you to stay in control of technology instead of letting it control you? Smart tech becomes smarter thinking when you use it with curiosity, responsibility, and focus.